Hello, my name is Logan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to go over the Speck Presidio Pro Folio for the new iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2018 third generation model. So we'll go ahead and peel off the plastic. There's not that many case options out there for the iPad Pro. They're starting to show up here and there. I saw this one. We use our iPads for service technicians, so they get a lot of wear and tear. This particular case offers 6 feet of drop protection, so figured why not give it a try. Normally we go with OtterBox's Defender series, but there are not any available. So slide, I believe this slides out. It's Tucker down there. He likes to join in on the videos sometimes. So from the start, there's a little dirt on this one. Seems like a okay case, very plastic-like. Alright. It's got like a suede, not quite leather feel here, and then this is actually a clear see-through plastic. And then just normal regular plastic. It does have a place for the Apple Pencil, which is nice if you have an Apple Pencil, but what if you don't? What are you supposed to do? Do you just have this awkward spot for a Apple Pencil? I guess you don't really have a choice. Here's an iPad Pro. We're going to go ahead and slide this in here to see how it works. It is a very tight fit, very snug. Almost feels like you're going to... Oh, it popped the screen protector up on this one. See it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try to slide this into this case. With the new iPad Pro, it can be kind of confusing about which direction is the top and which direction is the bottom. Easiest way to do so, look for the camera. So, camera's all up here, so I'm going to start with the bottom. Let's see. Oh, I just took a screenshot. Alright, so it is in there. My screen protector is peeling up, which is kind of unfortunate. I must have put it on there incorrectly. But that is the case. I'm still not quite sure about that. What if you don't have the Apple Pencil? So maybe this is made by Speck, so maybe Speck should create an Apple Pencil version and a non-Apple Pencil version. But that is the case. It is a nice case. I do like it. It does seem to offer a good amount of protection. Don't really like this little clipping mechanism. I wish they would have just used magnets. But you do have, that's kind of weird, multiple different levels. There's no magnets here either. It's strictly gravity holding it in place. Though it does, I mean, it does hold fairly well. And then you have all the way to that position. So that is the Speck Presidio, not quite sure how you say it, Pro Folio case that was released by Speck. There are some minor improvements that I personally think should be done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe, comment below, let me know that you enjoyed it, and I'll try to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.